working. So, been a bit of a day, a bit of a while since I've done a quick update, and the car's are back to component form because I noticed that once again the hub had spun on the crank just a tiny bit. So I managed to get the hub off this time, which is a nice change, and I'm redesigning it to make the Mark II hub that'll hopefully be a non-slipper. However, apart from having all this apart and thinking about it, you could actually make a terrific mid-engined car like that, couldn't you? Because all the weight, that's going to be more weight on the back, I should think. So that's quite interesting. There's the engine hanging there. Got good colour. I don't know if this will film in there, but got good colour on the back of the valve guides. Back of the valves, which is that cylinder, that engine at least is running with a nice even mixture. But in other news, I came back from doing my shopping just now and I had a post-it on the doorstep and I had a parcel, and it's this. Now this is quite exciting, so I'm going to open it up. I'm going to do my own unboxing. I've never done an unboxing before. More light. Okie dokie, where's something to cut it open with? Here we go. Hopefully this is filming, because I can't tell if it's filming. Oh, there's more light over there as well. There we go, that's better. Hopefully this is filming. So, this is from M. Erica. And this, I think, don't cut towards yourself, children, is going to be my first trophy that I've ever got with my car. It's my Sarah Entuned gold bucket. Very happy about that. And it's a work of art. So I've got to find somewhere to put that. But I think there's anything else in there. Nope, that's not lot. So, my goldish bucket, what am I going to do with it? Well, I did think I might be able to plonk it down there like that, so you can see that, on top of the aluminium thing that sits there, and it can be my little coins dispenser, things to carry in the car. And I think that's just going to be absolutely bloody brilliant. Bucketfulness of fun. There we go. That's my first ever award with my car, and it's without a doubt the most meaningful. So thank you, Sarah, and hope everything goes well with your projects that I keep watching and thinking, God, that poor girl. And yeah, thanks a lot. Cheerio.